Semangat pagi jalani hari-hari tanpa beban, berkarya tanpa batas, tanpa sebatas kewajiban. Nikmati tahap proses tanpa lelah dan lakukan. Gak perlu basa-basi, langsung gas dan langsung jalan. Mikrofon tetap on dalam level standby on. Monitor juga on and be ready to play on. Cekis mundur suara gelombang para pendengar. Angkasa on the mic and say hi, apa kabar? Modal kami, pola produktif yang utama. Bukan fiktif, banyak kanal tapi tak sama. Satu nama, bahkan di seluruh Nusantara. Dan tetap ada numero uno di udara.
Kamu lagi dengerin bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
So welcome to Sore Ceria English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more. Hi.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Always.
Yes.
Also happy, yeah.
So happy as we can see from your shirt today.
Yes. Yep.
It's like a red means that you are happy today.
Red means happy. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you.
Ceria ya,
Yeah,
ceria.
Sore Ceria.
Like our program today. Hi, how are you teman Pro 2? Welcome back, and as previous meeting also today we have one special topic to be discussed.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we are going to the
Tell you.
special place, yeah.
Yeah, special place.
Very special today. Yes,
And
we are
this
going
is
to-
maybe this is can be what's that recommendation for you who will spend your weekends.
Can.
We are visiting the what's that great place.
Yep.
And also learn about our cultures. Yes, and some custom, especially in Bali. What is that?
Yes, we are going to museum.
Oh yes, this is a good place also to be visited. Yeah, because when you visit museums, mean that you also as that finding much subjects related our previous life maybe
History.
history about our ancestors, something like that. And in Bali especially there are also some great museums that can be chosen to you to be visited in your when you have a holiday in Bali.
Yes. So let's go to the first museum
Yeah.
that you must to visit. That's called okay.
Arma, we call it Arma.
Arma
Agung Rai Museum
of Art in Bali.
As can we
Yes.
see from the names, art is related to what is that? The place, the museums to see some what's that?
What's that?
A kind of gallery,
gallery,
art gallery,
yeah.
and also cultural centers and accommodation ventures. Place in Ubud,
Ubud.
located in Ubud. Yeah.
Okay, so this museum founded by Balinese entrepreneur and art collector,
Yes, that's
like
true.
the museum name Anak Agung Gede Rai. Yeah, the museum has two main buildings, hosting exhibition halls, theater performance, art classes, a bookshop, library, and cultural workshop.
Yeah, and teman Pro 2 Arma's museums permanent exhibition display paintings from Balinese, Indonesian, and also foreign artists. So mostly when you visit this museum, you can see many what's that paintings, not
Yeah.
only Balinese but also foreigners who
Foreigners.
love about painting, something like that ya Kakak Iren ya.
Okay, so many
And
pictures. Yeah.
standouts include masterpieces by Batuan artists, and dating back to the 1930s and 1940, also 19th century. You can found in this museum, and also as well as Kamasan collections,
Yep.
It's a famous places in Bali also. If you want to find as the famous paintings, Kamasan is one of the best places to as many artists coming from Kamasan
Kamasan.
village. And also that's how is that Bali Agung Rai Museum of Art or Arma Museum, also a place to learn about Balinese
Tradition.
tradition and also culture ya Kakak Iren ya.
Yes.
For example, there are also gamelan orchestras.
Yes.
And then also we learn about wood carving there, dance and history,
Yep.
yeah, traditional cuisines, yeah. Some of the museum highlights. There are the museum highlights in Arma or Agung Rai Art, a museum of art.
Okay, so Agung Rai Museum of Art, Pro 2, it is located in Jalan Raya Pengosekan Ubud, ya, Bali, Gianyar, Bali. So
Yeah.
the good time to visit, especially is in the afternoon, because you can see the Kecak dance performance, yeah. On new and full moons, at the night especially, and Legong Teluk dance every Tuesday and in the night also, yeah.
Yeah, it was very interesting. So, if you want to enjoy or want to see about paintings and also dance or Balinese performance in the same time, you can choose Armas or Agung Rai Museum of Art.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu. Pro 2 FM.
Chart Top 20.
International Chart Top 20. Persaingan 20 lagu mancanegara terhits dan terpopuler minggu ini. International Chart Top 20 bareng aku, the one and only Iren Amora. Setiap hari Sabtu pukul 15 sampai 16 Wita hanya di Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu. Kamu lagi dengerin bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu. Sore
English Corner.
Listen else to know the world more with me, Irena Mora and Tris Mallory, teman
Yes.
Pro 2.
Yeah. And we still talk about museums
Yep.
in Bali. Yeah, the
Yes.
great museums because in Bali there are several museums, but we can what's that? Discuss is all some of them, and maybe we will continue a next meeting. Okay, the next museums that are popular also in Bali is Blanco Museum in Bali. Yeah. We call it Blanco Renaissance Museum. Yeah, it's the home gallery and studio of the late Don Antonio Blanco. Yeah,
It's very famous, Antonio
Yes.
Blanco.
Uh-huh.
What is it?
he was a maestro.
Maestro, yes.
Known for his lithographic artworks of nude Balinese women. Is that? Yeah, of course, because it is his museum mostly. We can see what's that? His artworks. And some of what's that? Also, we can see the another artworks, not only Blanco's artworks, but also some artists, especially about paintings. Okay, what's about the building Kakak Iren?
Okay, so teman Pro 2, if you entering the main building to see a massive marble hall lined with Blanco artworks, lavish and unusual frames, So if you seen in the Google, that many colorful nude portraits are displayed in this room. While towards the studio, you will be able to see various collages, with 70s era paintings,
Yes.
pen brushes, and dried paint, usually in front of an artwork in progress.
Yeah, and some of the art pieces might bring a smile to the visitors, yeah. While others will probably induce a slight cringe, something like that. And there are also
Yes.
pieces with snippets of torn magazine overlaid with soap boxes, sand, and seashells. Yeah,
Yep.
because this a part of our cultures in the previous era, something like that, Kakak Irania, where the Balinese, especially Balinese women, yeah, we know that.
Cosplay dan LARPing itu punya vibe yang beda, tapi sama-sama seru. Cosplay lebih tentang jadi karakter favorit kamu dengan kostum yang super detail. Misalnya, kamu bisa jadi Spider-Man dengan kostum full body suit lengkap dengan jaringnya, atau Naruto dengan baju orange dan headband khasnya. Biasanya, cosplay dilakukan di konvensi atau buat sesi foto, dan fokus utamanya adalah penampilan serta foto-foto keren. Sedangkan LARPing itu bikin kamu beneran merasakan pengalaman jadi karakter dalam cerita. Contohnya, kamu bisa jadi seorang ksatria di dunia fantasi, berkeliling di hutan yang disetting sebagai kerajaan dan menjalankan misi untuk menyelamatkan kerajaan dari ancaman. Atau, kamu bisa jadi penjelajah luar angkasa yang menjelajahi planet-planet buatan dan menyelesaikan quest intergalaksi. LARPing melibatkan interaksi langsung dengan pemain lain dan berpartisipasi dalam cerita yang seru. Jadi, cosplay itu lebih ke penampilan dan foto, sedangkan LARPing bikin kamu beneran merasakan petualangan dan aksi dalam cerita.
Kamu lagi dengerin bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
Well, thank you for listening Sore Ceria English Corner.
Yes, listen us to know the word more.
Yes, and now
And yeah, we will still have several museum today. Yeah, the next one is Lemaier Museum, and maybe this is kind of we often heard about this museum, yeah, and also the name of Lemaier, yeah, museum, and you know, teman Pro 2, Lemaier Museum it mainly houses the artworks and personal history of Brussels-born painter named Adrien Jean Lemaier, yeah. But we known him as Lemaier, yeah.
Lemaier, okay.
And this is the masterpiece of him, yeah, the Lemaier Museums. And the Memorial and Art Museum is located in Sanur, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Beach of Sindom. Behind a row of art and souvenir stalls, we can found this museum easily in Sanur area.
Okay, so if we're talking about the Mayor Museum, it has around 80 paintings categorized by mediums like hardboard, plywood, canvas, and paper. Yeah, the main building features the former living quarters of the couple with classical Balinese elements, sculpted stone walls, and red terrazzo floor tiles.
And you know, Kak Iran, if we talk about Lemaier, it also can be spirited from his history when he came to Bali in 1932 with his wife, and you know, Lemaier arrived in 1932, yeah, and he really impressed about the surf of Sanur, and also his wife was dancer, Balinese dancer, yeah,
Okay.
legong dancer,
Okay.
named Nipolok. Yeah, it means that they both really love about Bali and also the cultures itself. Yeah, and before deciding to spend his life in Bali, the artist had already traveled around the world, and then choose or decide to spend his whole life, with his wife,
Wife,
in Bali, something like that. And so
Okay.
it's
Yep,
kind
yep,
of
yep.
is that we can no, it's that we Lemayu Museum itself maybe can be seen as his dedicated, his how he and his wife really love about Bali.
Okay. Yep. And one fact that Lemaire elaborated on Antonio Blanco also.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep, for the painter in Bali, and then but Lemaire already passed away 1st May 1958.
Yeah.
Ago.
Even they living couple left no children, but well-crafted mansion serve as a memorial and gallery showcasing his works. It's kind of maybe for those who also for you, teman Pro 2 who want to know about his history, his artwork, come to
Lemaire Museum in
Sanur.
Bali, Jalan Hang Tuah Sanur, Bali, Indonesia.
So we will go this weekend. Tomorrow on
Tomorrow?
Sunday.
Go.
Okay.
Teman terbaik kamu.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu. Sebut saja namaku Dodi. Dulunya aku seorang pecandu judi online. Kupikir hanya narkoba yang membahayakan, tapi ternyata judi online lebih dahsyat. Memang awalnya aku menang, tapi lama-kelamaan aku ketagihan hingga akhirnya satu persatu temanku menjadi sasaranku untuk kupinjamin uang. Tak berhenti sampai di situ, semua barang berharga di rumah aku jual. Hingga aku juga melakukan pinjaman online. Hutang menumpuk di mana-mana, aku nekat mencuri hingga masuk penjara. Tak berhenti sampai di situ, istriku menceraikanku dan keluarga meninggalkanku. Teman, cukup aku saja yang mengalaminya. Kisahku ini jadikan pelajaran untukmu ya.
Teman Pro 2, jangan ganti frekuensi ya.
Sore ceria,
Bikin sore kamu lebih berwarna.
Pro 2, teman terbaik kamu.
Yuk dengerin via web streaming rri.co.id.
Teman terbaik kamu.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu.
Yeah, still in Nell's Corner.
Listen us to know the word more, but it's the last session, yeah.
For today,
For
yeah.
today.
We still talk about museum in Bali, and this is our last museums, but not the least, yeah, because we have
Okay.
several other museums in Bali. Yeah, this is still about the paintings, yeah. We call it Museum Puri Lukisan. Yeah, seen from the name, Puri mean place, ya Kakak Iren ya, and Lukisan is the painting. So we can translate this Museum Puri Lukisan as the Palace of Painting.
Painting.
So, and Kakak Iren,
Yep.
this museum also the Bali's oldest art museums.
Oh, the
In
oldest, yeah.
Bali, yeah, the oldest, and founded in 1956. And the museum has 6 buildings, the main buildings, and displaying traditional Balinese paintings and also wood carvings.
Okay.
So for you, who want to see what is that, and also learn about the Balinese cultures, many style of Balinese art within a day, you can choose this one of museums to be visited.
Okay, so the museum was a result of the Pitamaha artistic movement in Bali, formed by the late Dutch artist Johan Rudolf Bonnet, who fell in love with Bali and settled in Ubud to produce a magnificent body of work, together with other great names such as War, Spice, and Bali's own Lempat. Ya, Lempat
Yeah,
or Lempat? Lempat. Okay. And then what about the highlight of museum? Puri
The
Lukisan?
highlights, yeah. About the highlights, you will find
Mhm.
over 62 sculptures set in permanent exhibits among the
Okay.
collection of Museum Puri Lukisan. And notable exhibits include a series of pre-war Balinese paintings, yeah, from the Leo Hux collections, and also masterwork of what's that? Kakak Iren said Igusti, Nyoman Lempat, and the Wayang painting collections, and also Museum Puri Lukisan fourth building called the Founders Gallery showcases the museum history and temporary exhibition of local artist work.
Okay.
Keren ya.
Nice. Nice,
And
yeah.
this also Kakak Iran maybe can describe not only the we can enjoy the museum, but in around we also have several interesting places, around this museum.
Okay. So Museum Puri Lukisan in Bali, in Jalan Raya Ubud, Gianyar, Bali, Indonesia. Well,
Yeah. If we can talk about several museums that we talk, mostly located in Ubud, ya Kak
Yeah.
Iren, and we know that Ubud one of the place that born for many famous painters and
Painters,
also artists, about Balinese culture. So as Balinese, I'm so proud. And how
Yeah.
about you?
I'm very, very, very proud about that. Yeah.
That's why I don't miss these museums to visit when you spend your holiday here. Yeah.
Okay. Don't go. Don't forget to go.
Yeah, I think there's still many or several museum left, but because the time is up, ya Kak Iren, maybe we can talk about other museums
Later.
to our next meetings, next English program. So this is time for us to say goodbye to you, teman Pro 2. Thank you for listening us.
Thank you and hope you enjoy this program and see you next
Bye-bye.
week.
Yes.
Bye.
Wih, keren banget nih. Katanya ada obat herbal bisa mencegah sakit gigi seumur hidup.
Ada hoax tuh.
Widih. Ini juga keren nih. Ada sumber energi baru PLTH, pembangkit listrik tenaga hampa.
Iya, itu juga hoax kali. Lu bacanya apaan sih? Aduh, pantesan portal abal-abal lu baca. Kalau mau baca berita yang lengkap tapi udah verified, mulai dari berita nasional, internasional, olahraga, gaya hidup sampai hiburan, lu cukup klik rri.co.id. Di situ lu juga bisa streaming RRI digital. Aduh, makanya cek dulu biar gak kegocek di rri.co.id.
Kamu lagi dengerin Bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
Karena udah jam 6 sore, sembahyang puji Trisanya dulu yuk.